What are you doing there?
Just putting my protective rubber on. All right, first look, the Westcott FJ400 Flexigels. Let's check it out. All right, so the Flexigels, 8 reusable color creative gels. Let's check this out. All right, comes in a nice bag. And basically what these are gels to put on the FJ400. So they literally are little rubber toppers for your FJ400s. I don't think that's how they describe it in the manual, but that's how I'm describing it. And so these are just really rubber gels. So it's gonna be really interesting to see. I'm just opening these for the first time, and we are doing a photo shoot here with Paige in a warehouse. So I'm gonna use 2 FJ400s. I'm gonna use one to light her with 5500, right? Strobe light. And then she is wearing a purple outfit, so I'm gonna use a purple kicker behind her. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so we got our lighting kit here. So I've got the FJ400. And then what this does, it literally just slides on top of the, not on top of the flash tube, but on the glass covering. And that's really about it. I don't think it could be any easier than that. So that's pretty nice. Feels durable. And so I'm gonna set this up as a kicker light, and then I'm gonna have another 400 set up as the main light, and we'll put a beauty or an octabox on for her. So I'm gonna do, what I'm at least seeing in my head is we're gonna use this to fill back this whole space with the purple light. Again, I have no idea what these are gonna look like. I have not used them at all. So we're just gonna fire this, and I'm gonna put a dish on it. So we'll put the reflector on it. That looks purple. Turn this up to 7. Channel 1, Group B. So we got the first Westcott up here with the, what do we have here? The Octa M? Had to make sure. So we have the Octa M. This is set for 5500 Kelvin. And then that backlight's got the purple gel. It's kind of illuminated the whole back, and that matches the color of her shirt and her plum lips, and everything's coming together. And so it looks good. All right, let's get to it real quick. All right, so there's your spot. I love that, good. Big in the shoulders. Just sweep that one eye for me just a little bit. There we go. So super interesting product. Shocked at the color of light it's putting out. So these aren't corrective gels. Don't mistake them for being corrective gels like your CTO, things like that. They probably can't get this material to be a consistent color, and that's fine. That's not what they're meant for. So as a creative gel, creative product, this is really interesting. So definitely adding this to the bag in a more creative way. And the one thing I do like about them is I don't need gaff tape, I don't need special gel holders. These are just super easy to put on and off, as you can see. And we were firing a lot towards the end. I mean, we moved really quickly to just kind of get this all together last minute. And these are warm, but they're not gonna melt, right? So I don't know if they're rated or anything like that, but it's not something you need to worry about as the flash tube gets hot and you're firing a bunch. So very good product. Definitely something, if you're a FJ400 shooter, this is not something you're gonna wanna add to the bag.